Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate YouTube video ideas for beginners using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Coming up with fresh and relevant video ideas can be challenging, especially when you are just starting on YouTube. Using ChatGPT, you can quickly generate a list of creative video topics tailored to your niche and audience. For example, you could say, generate YouTube video ideas for beginners interested in personal finance and budgeting. ChatGPT will provide a variety of ideas that cover popular topics, trends, and questions your audience may have. This helps you plan content consistently and stay ahead of your competition. Review the suggestions and pick those that align with your channel style and goals. You can also ask ChatGPT to suggest video titles and descriptions that are optimized for search engines, which can provide your videos visibility and reach. And that's it, guys. Now you've learned how to generate effective YouTube video ideas for beginners quickly and easily with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.